Tasty Tuesday, episode 9. Gosh. Okay. New place in town, actually right off the island, called Mill Pond Bakery. Met one of the owners today. This is their cheddar jalapeno sourdough bread, and look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? We also got some sourdough plain bagels, so I will be doing a video for that, also linking it all together. But Mill Pond, they are currently located on Chincoteague Road. I'll give you the address and all that good stuff. They do have a Facebook page. So Mill Pond Bakery, here I go. I'm going to toast that bad boy up, put some butter on it. Actually, I'm going to take a bite of it before I even do that, so hold on. Alright, so that's the inside. You can see the jalapenos on the outside. Alright. I got a jalapeno. I love fresh breads. Absolutely love fresh breads. Wow. That is really good. That jalapeno gives it a nice little kick. Bread is kind of doughy and chewy and crunchy all at the same time. Yep. I'm going to like this bread. Alright. The plain sourdough bagel from Mill Pond Bakery. Getting ready to toast this up and put some butter and some jelly on it, but I'll take a bite of it plain first to let you know. It is so soft, and oh my god, it's like, it looks like the perfect bagel. The one girl grew up in New Jersey, and she is a bagel snob, so she told me that this will be one of the best bagels I'll ever have. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like before it got toasted. These bagels toast up perfectly. I have a Ninja air fryer that's also a toaster, and I had this on a, it took like 5 minutes to toast this because I had the bagel setting. And oh my gosh, it's perfectly toasted. It's, you know, still soft on the underneath, but crispy on the inside. Yeah, the inside where it was cut. And oh wow, that bagel has great flavor, amazing flavor. Mill Pond Bakery, you will not be disappointed. It's still got that little bit of a chewy texture that bagels are supposed to have. Great flavor, great texture. I can taste the sourdough. These are great bagels. Mill Pond Bakery. I will put their link in the, or put their name again in the bio. They do take special orders. You definitely want to give them a call and have your next bagel on them, or that cheddar jalapeno bread. Oh my gosh. Episode 9, Tasty Tuesday. Mill Pond Bakery, brand new to the area. Good luck, ladies.